What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine video. I have exciting news for everyone. Basically, Epic Games just the other day basically announced that everyone can go ahead and publish their own game in the Epic Games Store. This is amazing news, like if it was Steam for example, where you can go ahead and just self-publish your game on the platform. Before it was way harder, really only established studios and developers and publishers could get their hands on the Epic Games Store and publish there, but now anyone can do so. So I will be leaving a good live stream in the description where they cover all about the process that you can go through in order to publish your game on the platform, and you can really get started on the Epic Developer Portal. So yeah, I will be leaving this blog in the description and also the live stream. There's a lot of advantages from this, so go ahead and just take a look into it, because really if you're an indie dev and you want to publish your game and you're gonna do it in Steam, or now you have also another opportunity to also publish it on the Epic Games Store. So yeah, I just want to do this quick video just to get all things around and make sure that you guys know about this incredible news, because it is truly amazing. So if you found the video helpful, I would really appreciate you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials and videos, so if you want to go ahead and check them out, go ahead. And also join my Discord server so you can talk with other devs and so on. And now yes, with all that said, bye bye.